Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about number flexibility.
Math in mind, calculate 18 times 5.
What is number flexibility?
I don't know.
You don't know? Good, let's see.
Performing calculations in the head without the use of paper or calculators.
So, without using paper and calculator, you are able to calculate the math. So that's called flexibility.
Flexibility.
Using strategies like breaking numbers apart and combining them in a different ways. Not one way, a different ways. Okay, more? What else?
Using different techniques to solve the same problem.
Yeah, so being a little bit creative, use a different way, and without using paper and calculator is called number flexibility.
Calculate 18 times 5.
So practice time. How can
Practice.
So 18 times 5. What you know about 18 times 5? What do you know about 18 times 5?
About 18 times 5?
Yeah.
I know some tricks.
Yeah. Normally how we do 18 times 5? Somebody give you the problem.
I'm just going to do it the long method because I don't really know.
Like normal way, right?
Yeah.
18
times.
Yeah.
5. Okay.
So basically you do the 5 tables. You need to memorize 5 tables.
Okay, so 8 times 5 equals 40. So I put the 0 here and the 4 here to equal 40. And then I do 5 times 1, which is 5, but then I'm adding 4, which is 9.
Yeah, so that's very international way, right? Yeah, 90.
Yeah, 90.
Okay, now let's see how we can do the different method. Okay, more? Yeah, that's what you did.
Long multiplication method.
So the different one? Yeah, counting method. Ooh. Oh, so many numbers. Makes me dizzy. From 1 to 90. So basically you have to count 5 times 18s and which will give you 90. That's so long. Nobody has time to do the 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 90.
Okay, so this is the one way. The next one? It's kind of like a turtle.
A long method and takes a lot of time.
Right. The next one?
Now we're doing 18 times 5, but it's the same thing, but it's different.
Yeah.
You just put
so you have
18,
a 5.
18.
Yeah, so 5 times.
Yeah, I said 5 times.
Yeah, so which will give you 90. It's the same way.
Method
So this
2.
is called?
Using repeated addition. Yeah, it's just doing 18 over and over again.
So you add?
Does it 5 times.
5 times 18.
Which equals 90.
Yeah.
18. So first we are taking
that 2.
These 2.
Yeah, then other 2.
And then we will take these 2.
Which is 36.
36.
Yeah, and
then we will do the 36 plus 36, which equals 72. And then we'll take the last one, which is right there, which it equals 72 plus 18, 90.
Okay. So next one.
It's also
a little bit lesser time, but it still takes a lot of time.
It also takes a lot of time.
Yeah, next. There is a flies here. Yeah.
Bug.
So what is this method? Breaking down?
Method 3. Breaking down into parts. So there we have 8 plus 10, which equals 18. But we also have other ways to equal 18, right?
Yes. Which are the other way?
We have one more way,
Mhm.
so we'll just...
Okay, so basically we break this 18 into two
So
parts.
first, break down 18 into 10 and 8, or different.
Yeah. And
2. Number 2, add results.
So which is 10 times 5, 50,
Equals 50.
and 8
8
times,
times 5
5
equals 40. And then you just plus it together. What is 50 times
and
40? Can I hear it?
90. And do you know what is that?
90.
What is this
Good
space called,
job.
Lena? Do you know what this space
I
called?
think it's called a graph.
Area.
Oh yeah, area. I was thinking of graphs today.
Yeah, it's a graph in the area. Yeah. Good. Okay, let's see the next method.
Yeah, 50 plus 40.
Yeah, you add that too.
This looks fast. This looks like a fast method to do in mental math. So this is the good way.
Yeah.
Okay, see, 9 plus 9 equals
Now it's
18.
also, what is the name of the method?
Let's see.
Rectangle.
Method 4. Rectangle model.
So now is...
So, okay, break down 18 into 9 and 9.
Yeah.
See, there's another method that we have here. 9 and 9. Number 2, add results.
So 9 times 5 is
45. And 45 plus 45 equals 90.
Yeah, that is also a little bit faster. Yeah.
This looks like a fast method to do in mental math.
Yeah. Now let's see the next method.
Oh, that's it.
That's all. So which way you liked? Which method you liked?
I like the one where we did like the split it and put 18 plus 10. Yeah.
I like the last one, fourth method, breaking it like rectangle method. 9 plus 9
Rectangle model.
model.
Bye.
Hope you learned some method. Bye. Take care.